So before 7 a.m. this morning, we're getting ready to jump into My Disney Experience, see about getting our park reservation system going. That's a new screen. I haven't seen that one before. And I guess we are waiting for this to open up, and we are in a virtual queue of some sort. So we went into the main Disney World page, disneyworld.com, which eventually goes into disneyworld.disney.go.com. Go ahead to sign in to the account, and it gives me this nice waiting screen. I think sort of like when you sign up for other events, we are being placed into a queue. I don't know how long this is going to take, but we're going to sit here. I'm not going to let this go. And so we can get into the reservation system, so we can get into our park dates. So 5 minutes after, my screen changed, giving me a sign-in page. I don't know if you signed in yet or not. It didn't tell me I have a 5:04 gateway timeout.
That's what mine did.
It's the worst thing you can get when you're trying to get into a park is a gateway timeout. I want to gate in. I guess I guess I have to resubmit our form. That's not good. I gotta start back over. Service unavailable. Ooh, another bad screen. Zero size object. Okay. We may be in for a fun morning today. So, good morning, everybody. I'm here at my computer. It is at 7 a.m. and I'm trying to get in so we can get into our park reservation system at Disney World so that we can use our annual pass holder ticket and our resort stay that we already have to get into the parks when Disney World opens on July 11th for Magic Kingdom and or Disney's Animal Kingdom. And right now, it's just not wanting to work with us. Because it keeps timing out. Oh. Because unfortunately, even though we do have an annual pass, and we do have a resort stay for July 11th and 12th, doesn't do us any good unless we can get into the system. And right now it says no. Someone ate the page.
Oh, it just got sounds worse.
Stitch, someone ate the page. Or for some other reason, the pages you're looking for cannot be located.
Page is temporarily unavailable again.
So when I tried to hit the button to log in for just my Disney experiences, this is completely on the computer, not with the phone. It gives me the queue page, this new hand-drawn watercolored Cinderella's castle. And then I have to hang in there and wait for my turn. That's just to sign in to my Disney experience. The last time I did this, when I tried to sign in, I got a timeout. So it's now 7:09. I've had to enter the queue twice now. Timed out twice. All right, so it is now 17 after 7. We've been looking at this screen for the majority of the time this morning, trying to get into the Disney World park reservation system. Normally we're having to wait for just a moment, then it gives us the screen to log in to My Disney Experience on the website. We're not trying to do this on our phone because we just think that's not the best way to go for this morning. And it keeps giving us timeouts. We haven't actually been able to get in yet. I've had a couple of gateway errors, a couple of timeouts, and Stitch ate the page one time. Oh, that rascally fellow. So we're still waiting to see if we can get in. Do me a favor, I'd love to hear you guys' experience. We're gonna do some roundabouts and check in with everybody afterwards. But for now, we're at the waiting game, at least here at the Ear to Ear Magic Homestead. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It's 0. What does that mean?
I just pushed push me back to 6.
What does that mean? 0, 0, sitting 0, 0. My approximate wait time is no approximate wait. Even though I've been sitting here at this computer now for 2 hours, it's still in a 0.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so I'm on the Almost in Orbit page and have been now for the past, I don't know, maybe 25, 30 minutes on one computer. I've been on it for 45 minutes on an iPad. The iPad's gone to 0 and has been at 0 now for about 30 minutes, so it hasn't moved at all. The computer just went to 0 and it changed to thank you for continued patience. Hang in there as we're making progress. We have a lot of guests and it just refreshed again. I lost it altogether. Wait, I'm creating my party.
Wait.
I'm in. It's only been, what time is it? 9:59. It's only been 3 hours. So that's nothing. All right, let's see how this goes. You guys are watching with me. I'm videoing it now as I'm making my reservations. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so we've been at this all morning long. We thought at 7 a.m. this thing was gonna open up and it didn't quite open just then. I think it took about an hour and a half before they even became an active link in which people can make the park passes. We've waited our turn. It's been almost 3 hours. It's now become available. Watch and see. You can watch the entire process as we make our park passes for upcoming trips so you guys can make and see how easy it is, and once you get in, you can do it yourselves. All right, so I finally got to create your party. Now let's see how this goes. You guys are gonna watch it along with me as I do this. Getting all kinds of Instagram notifications. You guys are just gonna have to see all those as well. Anyone else is going? All right, let's see if I can choose the rest of my family.
Me, don't forget me.
Oh, Susan doesn't want to go. Let's see what happens. Select park date. All right.
July the 11th.
It's not showing up.
Yes, it is.
Well, it's not showing up as green. Okay, let's see what happens. I've seen other screens in which they showed dates that were available, but obviously I just need to click it and see what happens. One or more parks is not available. Oh, of course, it's not open yet. So we're going to go Magic Kingdom, I think.
Yes, Magic Kingdom, Magic
Look
Kingdom.
at that special ticketed event, 7:45 to 9. Magic Kingdom. Check in at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Show up anytime.
Between 9
Between 9 and
7.
7. Okay, well, let's hope we can show up before 7. All right, I've read and agreed to the following terms, including the COVID-19 liability waiver. There's your liability waiver. I know that I could possibly catch it. There's assumption of risk. I know I cannot sue them. Everything's good. Acknowledgement of risk. All right. All right. Read it. See what happens. Your Disney Park Pass is confirmed. Ha! Congratulations. We're going to the Magic Kingdom.
Okay, what does it say for?
Let's see. Make another Park Pass.
Yes.
Same party.
Yes.
Different day. Move it to July for the 12th. We're going to go for Animal Kingdom, right?
Yes, please.
8 to 6. There's our party. I have read the agreement. Yep. Confirmed. We're confirmed. Guys, we're going to the Magic Kingdom on the 11th, and we're going to Animal Kingdom on the 12th.
All right, let's see if we can get into Hollywood Studios and Epcot.
Now, we already have resort reservations for these days, which is why it's allowing us to do so. If you do not have a resort reservation for these days, it won't allow you to do this. So we have both the resort stays and the annual passes that are active to be able to do so. All right. right, look, all 4 parks are open. So where do we want to go?
Hollywood Studios, Hollywood Studios,
Really?
Hollywood Studios, yes.
First day of Food and Wine is going to be the 15th.
Food and Wine will be there on the following day.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
What are we going to do at Hollywood Studios?
Rise to the Resistance.
I disagree. But okay. First day of a festival. We're not going to be there the first day of a festival?
It's always a mess the first day anyways.
I know, but... All right, notice it doesn't open until 10 a.m.
We'll talk with you guys about that on our YouTube Live, something we've noticed with the park hours, so.
All right, Park Pass is confirmed. All right, let's do one more. Now, we've been told now that the maximum number of days that you can reserve through this park system is 7. So we're gonna have 4 days here with this, for the 4 days the parks are reopening, to share with you guys. Those coordinate with our hotel stays. And then on Friday, the 26th, we will have more availability we can get as pass holders, but only 3 additional days, which is pretty good because we can only get 3 days as pass holders alone. So, all right, is this going to be 4 for 4? Woohoo! All right, that's awesome. Now that means we have gotten all 4 days. We're done. See how easy that was once you actually get in? It only took 3 hours.
Once you get in, it's super easy.
All right, one thing I wanted to point out to everyone, I want you to notice that after all 4 of the parks are open, their park hours are going to be staggered about. So right now, you can see the Magic Kingdom every day is only going to be open from 9 to 7. Epcot from 11 to 9. Hollywood Studios 10 to 8. Animal Kingdom's 8 to 6. So you see how this is working. Animal Kingdom opens at 8. Magic Kingdom opens at 9. Hollywood Studios opens at 10. Epcot opens at 11. So every day, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the same park closures are going to be same number of hours for each park. They're going to close 6, 7, 8, and 9. So with these staggered openings and closings, I can only have an idea of why they would possibly do that. Maybe it's so that you don't have all guests leaving at the same time. That when it comes to coming in and out of the hotels, not everyone's leaving at the same time. Not everyone's coming in at the same, coming back from the same time. So maybe all the guests aren't coming into the lobbies and creating, crowds at the bus stations. I just got to think of something like that. If everyone's coming back from the parks at the exact same hour, then it's going to make those entranceways a lot more crowded. But for now, keep in mind, you're going to have, for the time being, there's going to be a separate park opening at 8, 9, 10, 11, and in the same order, they will close at 6, 7, 8, and 9 o'clock. All right, so there we are. Now, that was a little bit of a frustrating morning. It took a while. It took basically the first 2 hours just to get into the second row of queues. Then we had to wait 45 minutes to 50 minutes to actually get any of those. And we had 2 laptops, 2 iPads, 2 phones, all going at the same time. Only one of them was able to get through. But you can see the time it actually got me to go in, I recorded the entire time. So it didn't take that long. Once you get in, it's pretty simple as long as you have what's required to get in. So best of luck, guys. If you've got a resort stay and you've got a ticket with or an annual pass, you can start as of today, the 22nd. If you don't have a resort stay already for 2020, you're going to have to wait till Friday as an annual pass holder to sign in. Or if you just have tickets and you're staying off site, you're going to have to wait until Sunday, the 28th, to be able to access the system. If not, it shouldn't allow you to make the reservations. Right now, if you don't have a hotel stay or a park ticket for 2020, we're being told that they won't be available again until sometime later this summer. Let us know if you want us to help you out. We can put you on our wait list, and when those times become open, we can jump in and grab something for you and help you out, put it on hold, and get back in touch with you afterwards. If you're looking to make a stay in 2021, those are going to open up this Wednesday, the 24th, and just like the rest of our clients, we're grabbing the list and getting everybody together so we can jump in there first thing Wednesday morning and start grabbing hotel stays and tickets for 2021. So best of luck, guys. I hope you get those park reservations because hopefully if you do, we can see you in the parks. Best of luck.